In 1998, John Fetterman came to me and said, "Dick, I think it's time for another coaster."
And this is going to be a different coaster, whereas the Phoenix is a folded over out and back. This is being more of a, what they call a twister roller coaster, because it crosses over and under itself 30-some times. We had gotten the plans from the people that used to own Elitch Gardens in Denver, a park that had closed, took the plans, turned them upside down, mirror image, and began work there. However, in Denver they had a lot of room, and the lift hill was one long lift hill. We didn't have space for that. So John came up with this idea of the folded over two lift system, where it goes up, swings out around, comes back and up onto the next lift hill, which is directly above the first lift hill, going the other direction. The other significant difference was they had their station outside the helix. We didn't have room for that. So John redesigned the last part of it, so we put the station inside the helix. And it's unique in that it's a curved station.
We started in November of '98 and worked all winter and opened on July the 29th of 1999.
We didn't even have the entrance ramp done. So we had to walk people up the exit and down the exit to accomplish the riding. It's gone over well. It's among the top 25 wooden coasters in the world. Whereas you get a lot of airtime on the Phoenix, this you get a lot of positive G's, because you're in that bottom of that helix when you're sailing around there, you're pulling anywhere from 3 to 4 G's. So they complement each other. There are some people who prefer the Phoenix, and there are some people who prefer the Twister.